Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the day I've been looking forward to for quite some time. Today I'm going to be trying to rebuild the Kuga. I've got all the parts here, they're all painted. I just need to remove the old stuff, fit the new stuff. Hopefully I've got everything I need to get this car back on the road. I did drive it home the other night, which was bloody lovely, and I've done a fantastic, unnoticeable repair that got me home, made sure there's no sharp edges, the car wasn't illegal. Anyway, let's get cracking. I've got a lot to do. So here we are. This is my unnoticeable repair. You can hardly even see it's there. I've got some foam, got some kneeling mat, got some keys somewhere. In the boot I have bumper, wheel arch, wing, front splitter, new under tray, headlight, fog light, surrounds, clips, wheel arch bracket, towing eye cover, headlight washer jets, parking sensors, and inside I've got a headlight washer. Whew. Let's get the bonnet open. I think what I'd do first of all, I think I'll strip the wing off. Got a couple of bolts on the top, a couple of bolts on the front, inside, up the top, and then maybe one or two down the back. And then wherever the chain is, I can never remember on this car. And then in here, I've got a bolt for the headlight up there, one there, although it doesn't really matter because it's broken and I can wobble it around if it wasn't taped. So let's get cracking. Right, panel number one is on. There's a bolt here, one on the inside which you hopefully can see through that hole there, two at the bottom, two at the front, two at the top here, and then one hidden underneath, which is a real fiddly to get to. As you can see, the colour looks completely different, but this door is pretty filthy. So if I just give it a bit of a scrub, you can see that it's nearly there. The way to have done it properly would be to blend it into the door, blend it into the bonnet, and so on and so forth, but I just didn't have the available funds to do that, unfortunately. Gapping's pretty good, pretty even from the top down to the bottom, which is pretty similar to the other side. Yeah, happy with that. So this side here, the wing, the wheel arch is staying the same, the bumper's obviously getting changed, and obviously this side, the wing, the bumper are getting changed. And I need to try and straighten the bonnet out ever so slightly, because it's quite tight here. A bit of a gap there, no gap there, but the bumper has dropped. So let's get it back open. What I'll do is when the bumper's off, I'll get the headlight fitted, and hopefully that will resolve things significantly. So there we have it, wings on. Let's get onto the bumper. Okay, with the wing on, and I've got this piece of trim to go back on, which goes on like so. I have one original clip, and I've got two aftermarket clips, which I'm hoping will work. So I will just open the door to give myself better access. And they basically line up with those three holes, 1, 2, and 3. And the clips I have are too big. Bugger. Back to the drawing board. So with the wing on, I'm going to wrap this episode up. The wing is fitted. The first piece of the puzzle is complete. I need to get some clips for the trim. I need to get the wheel arch on, the underliner on. The next task is to tackle the bumper. So join me next time where I attempt to remove the bumper, dress the bumper with the new parts, and fit it back up to the vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, as always, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. I will see you guys very soon.